Omukoro gwakorwa aha kanisa ya Chambwashwa omuri Kichwamba Ward omu Town Council ya KITAGWENDA omu district niyemwe.
Tubashika amarishita gawe ag'embabazi tukomoraho buri kimwe cyose cyakwasira amagara gabo tubajura omumbiro gw'enseki omumbiro gw'obwoba omumbiro gw'orukutiina omumbiro gw'orukufa. Omu butumwa obwahebwayo abiikiriza bashabwa okukora emyoga yabo n'okwehara ebikorwa bya sitaane obutwire bwona.
Then they try to be given medicine to put in the food of their husband. Medicine will never make your husband change. It will spoil him. It can kill him. You have to call on the Lord.
Because we have ordained you publicly when every eye has been set unto you. And even when we are going to demote you, we have to show the public that we have demoted you. But you are going to be able, you are going to be successful.
Abasaba Deacon mwenda, Reverend omwe n'aba canon babiri bayahurwa aha mukoro ogwo.
Not the Roman Catholic, but the uniqueness of our site in Uganda is that where the water which was coming from Church of Uganda and the water coming from the Roman Catholic, where they converge down there is a place called Janda. That's where we have put our center of worship.
Omukoro ogu gwahikwaho abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe.
It is pleasure to join you today as we celebrate 4 years of existence of Serenity Foundation Ministries.
Ekiriza buli omwe ashabe omunchiriza eyarukwenda kuzamu okushaba. So tusiima president weitu Munonga kandi nsima n'abateekaniza omukoro ogu.
Gasha kwa Anthony Atwine.